Hillcrest has about 180 to 210 students, which we call WIDA 1s and 2s, meaning their English language score, their ability to speak English, write English, and work in the English language is pretty low. WIDA 3s and 4s and 5s are functional in school. But WIDA 1s and 2s, it's like walking into a foreign country and they're just not able to really understand the teacher, they're not able to understand the work. And so ELD classes in general help them with English and learning words and vocabulary and helping with homework and those kinds of things. But we feel like that over the years, those students weren't making quick enough progress with just one class. So we came up with the idea, and I don't know if the idea has been done before, but I can tell you that from our perspective, it was original to us. I mean, we didn't research it out, and it's not that we need credit, but we didn't do any major research on it. We just were talking about the issues and what would help. And we have a co-taught special ed class, meaning that the class is filled with 2/3 regular students, or mainstream students, and 1/3 resource students. And we have 2 teachers in English or math co-teaching that class. So the students don't feel like they're in a resource class at all. They're just getting extra support. So we said, why don't we apply that same model to our ELD students? So they will go to this ELD class, but then we will group them a little bit in science and math. So we'll have 10 to 12 students go to this science class, and then we'll have an ELD teacher go with them and co-teach with that teacher. So we can keep them online and engaged, and he's not translating for them, that's not the mission. Yeah, there might be a little translation just to get them over a hump, but their main goal is to make sure that they're sitting with a group of students and with their own group, that they can figure it out together and start using and hearing and listening to that English to make the assignments work for them. Because the more they're exposed and pushed through, the better they're going to do. Yeah, we just ran some data on it, and out of the about 60 kids we have in the program, normally our data shows that without any intervention, those WIDA 1s and 2s would all be, for the most part, way below a 2.0, and these students are passing every one of those classes where they're in a co-taught situation, and doing better in some of their elective classes. Well, I hope so, and we feel like the kids are responding to it. They'll go up. They've connected with Mr. Reber as a teacher, and so they'll go up and get extra help and that kind of a thing. And so I hope they see that we're extending what a traditional ELD situation looks like and giving them the support in the classroom rather than just, okay, you've had our class, now go out in the real wide world and do whatever you can.